Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Vasa, we are in the meat of DPL. How does it feel?
Well, Parul, yes, it feels amazing. It feels awesome, and the platform is set. Everything is happening as per the dreams that I had seen about 2 years ago to get it down here. That is why it is Dreams Premier League, and really I am blessed with everyone's prayers and with everyone's good wishes that this is possible today.
More and more people getting employment, more and more people wanting to join the league, within the area. How does it feel? Is it encouraging for the next season to make it bigger and better, and of course the response from people?
Yes, of course, Parul. This, as you know, that we are today in India, we are fighting for this. That unemployment, we are fighting it, and where my core business is overseas manpower placement. So I know this business, this thing from the core. So this is a platform that I can give players. There are about 60% players playing here who have their bread and butter, they're living, they run their family on cricket, on especially underarm cricket. This underarm format, gully format, is being played on different areas of Maharashtra, and this is been played everywhere in Maharashtra, but the platform that I have given in Dreams Premier League, which we are going live on D Sports, which 3 countries as of now are seeing it, is a big platform for them, and hope so maybe this can become international level cricket very soon.
Leagues on, especially when it comes to a level which we are on, and we've taken it to another level in terms of reaching out to a sports channel. And so, what is the response that you're getting that, now are we looking at taking it state level, national level?
Yeah, of course. I was sitting with my team. Well, my team, see, it is never we, it is never I, it's always we. So my team, Star Connect, Pallavi, Deepak, Sportino, who have always been hand in hand. They have done a wonderful job to put up this show. Yes, we are planning to take it state-wise, and most probably there will be state involvement next season. The teams will be named on state basis. A lot of elements will be added next year.
And of course, we have our dignitaries here today. How does it feel to have Megha, Dr. Anil Maratha, Aditya?
Well, they're all from different fields, and yes, Megha, she's from Bigg Boss, and I have been a true fan of Bigg Boss. I was almost set to go this year in Bigg Boss 12, but unfortunately, because of my league, I had to can it because I could not be both ways. So most probably next year, and yes, of course,
for sure.
Yeah, we've had a personality, Mr. Akhil. He's a wonderful personality. I was talking to him about the good work that he's doing. We are somewhat on the same platform, but yes, I cannot match him. He has done a lot of good work in India. He's doing a lot of good work on ground level. That is what is needed today in India to make a better India. That we ourselves have to come on the field, do the groundwork. We cannot just sit in AC rooms and just talk. That is when our real India will progress, when people like us will come on the ground and show that yes, we can do it. And well, yes, the personality, the smart, the handsome man. I would also want to do some ad films,
Definitely.
I'm sure you've heard about gully cricket and now experiencing the Dreams Premier League at this level. How does it feel?
Wow, I'm really so excited, and I'm just loving it. I'm here right now and enjoying having fun over here. First of all, thanks to you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to be here, and of course, Parul ji. The cricket fever is everywhere right now. IPL is going on. There is a bit of a cricket environment in my house also. My husband plays very good cricket. So I always want wanted to come and join such events, and today I'm here and I'm super happy. And I really appreciate your efforts, sir. For giving such wonderful platform for youth to showcase their talent and introduce themselves to the sports world. And it's a great initiative. And I guess the name of this league, Dreams Premier League, will definitely be apt for all of this youth. That's the way they could fulfill their dreams and make it happen. So congratulations to you, sir.
Well, you can
And
call
thank
me
you.
Wasif. Sir looks, it gives me like, very old Wasif.
In next meeting.
Anilji, you have been a great philanthropist and doing good work all over, and there is a common connect with EPL today where they're also associated with the NGO. How does it feel, Anilji, when you have like-minded people and they connect, and obviously getting it to a platform? What is your take on that?
राहुल जी, सबसे पहले आप लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने इस लायक समझा कि हमें यहाँ बुलाया। वासिफ भाई और उनकी टीम जो आज काम कर रही है अपने आप में काबिल तारीफ़ है, और सर इसके लिए जितनी आपकी सराहना की जाए उतनी कम है, क्योंकि इन चेहरों को जिनको आपने यहाँ इकट्ठा किया है, ट्रस्ट मी, ये वो सितारे हैं
जो कल को बहुत बड़े
जो कल पता नहीं कहाँ पहुँच सकते हैं, लेकिन उनको कोई प्रॉपर राह मिल जाए, वो काम आप कर रहे हैं आज। इट्स अ वंडरफुल जॉब ही इज़ डन, एंड एज आई बीन टॉकिंग इन पास्ट, आई कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, यूथ ऑफ टुडे इज़ अ पावर हाउस। द राइट path given to them, they can do wonders in life, and that's what the gentleman sitting to my right is doing. इन्होंने कहा मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो उनके पीछे पीछे हूँ, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि कुछ कर सकूँ ज़िंदगी में. And when you said like-minded people, yes, we were talking some time back there, it's the same genre of work where you have to hunt for such faces, invite them here, give them a proper platform, and they are sorted. See, हर किसी बच्चे की एक पैशन होता है, ड्रीम होती है कि भाई वो कहीं एक मुकाम पर पहुँचे, और जो आपने नाम दिया है ड्रीम्स इटसेल्फ, इट्स अमेजिंग, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. इनको वो जगह पहुँचाना, बॉस, ट्रस्ट मी, देश आप पर फकर करेगा. दैट्स ऑल आई कैन टेल यू.
Aditya, what's your experience being here today? We saw you play some cricket as well.
Yes, I was trying actually, to be honest, and I would definitely congratulate Wasif bhai. I mean, इतना बड़ा initiative आपने लिया है, and thank you so much first of all for calling all of us. I mean, it's an honor, I would say. And आप तो हीरे उठा रहे हैं, आप उनको तराश रहे हैं और उनको आप stars बनाएंगे, sports stars. We can absolutely see it, and the energy on the ground and the energy in the entire event is so awesome. And I'm just wishing you all the best. I mean, this is such a great initiative altogether.
And as you really said some time back, this has to go at a great level next,
Great level.
in the coming years too.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Be asking each one of you, and we'll be starting from you, that playing cricket, as Mr. Wasif said, is going back to school, or what's been your cricket playing experience so far, which you want to talk about?
Arul ji, the fact is, हर किसी में वो बचपन अभी भी है, और वो बचपन आप ना भूलो, उसी में आप एक फतेह कर सकते हो.
Correct.
तो आज इन्होंने हमको वहाँ अंदर अलाउ नहीं किया, नहीं बैट तो वहाँ भी पकड़ लेते हम. It's amazing. Electrifying is the atmosphere.
Yes.
And hats off to you, boss.
Well, on 30th we are having show matches between owners and committee and celebrities. We are planning on that. So surely.
यार हम सेलिब्रिटी तो नहीं हैं, लेकिन बैट पकड़ लेंगे पक्का आपके साथ में.
I can come for cheerleading. I'll hold the pom-poms in my hand and I'll be dancing.
And I'll
with
come
them.
as a student.
To learn, yes. I will learn some acting tips from you.
Oh,
You can give me that.
great. Let's exchange.
Maybe your experience with the bat and the ball today?
Yeah, it was good, but I was
Out हो गए थे दूसरे.
मैं दूसरी बॉल पे आउट हो गई. इन्होंने मेरी विकेट ले ली. But yes, it was fun and I really enjoyed it.
Adi, what about you?
बहुत मज़ा आया. I got caught कि मैंने ज़्यादा क्रिकेट नहीं खेला है, but then मैंने जोश ऐसा दिखाया कि चलो कुछ ना कुछ तो करें.
वासिफ भाई, आई जस्ट करेक्ट हिम, ये बिल्कुल सत्य कहा है इन्होंने कि क्रिकेट का इनको ये भी नहीं मालूम है,
सही बात।
क्योंकि वो कोर्ट था ही नहीं।
बट मैंने एज एन एक्टर जोश दिखाया कि चलो टेक्निकली कुछ करके दिखाते हैं।
ग्रेट 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 ग्रेट।
थैंक यू।
So, how do we see the season going from here?
Well, season from here, we just this weekend and next weekend we have the league matches, and then from the other weekend we go into the quarterfinals and knockouts. Now everyone here are getting a right picture that where they stand in the points table. So everyone is fighting for their slot in the top 8. Well, final is going to be on 1st May. It's going to be really cracker. It's going to be awesome because it's going to be the first DPL season final, which is going to be live on D Sports, and it's going to be, the atmosphere is going to be here amazing. I think Bandra will be on a standstill.
Yeah.
Awesome.
हमारा नाम तो लिख लेना उस दिन है भाई।
Absolutely, finale. You all
Sure.
Of course, we all are be.
Yes.
Yes. Surely. All are going to be
So on
there.
that note, thank you so much.
ग्रेट,
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you
for
so much.
calling us.
Thank you so
In fact, pleasure is all
Thank you
ours.
so much for having
Thank
us
you,
here.
thank you.
Thank you so much.